Guy, beg. She's so guy.
Imule, hi guys, it's your boy Nasty JK, TikTok celebrity hype man, popular for this area if he ask, and I still have my guy here.
Charlie Vibe TV.
Okay guys, when I know this man, this one my way who been pranking wife last time, saying wife come for hook up, so the guy don't come again. Due to the comments and the opinion of people who watch the video, they advise the guy to go do DNA tests. So the guy can't be like, okay, say he go do am, he can't go carry the test. And come carry now, he can confirm say the pikin wey the woman carry no be pikin. Shey you get. So the thing now, we don invite the woman now. Make get. So wetin go do now? She dey close. Wetin go do now? Hide the DNA paper.
Just tell me this thing, I for no believe am.
No, sometimes something like mo just come here.
Tell me this thing. You know how long wey I dey for Ghana dey suffer for these people?
I know now. Just take am like part of mistake, please.
If I see this woman today,
just calm down, no do anything violent, abeg. Just calm down. She go soon come. So guys, don't forget to watch. As you are watching this video, don't forget to share. I know it might happen to anybody. This same issue might happen to anybody, but please, I'm begging you, please share this video. Let's wait for the woman to come and reach.
The thing wey I trust.
Okay guys, we have already invited her. We are waiting for her to come inside, so she's close. So just say let's run and take this intro before she gets close. Okay, she's here already. Okay, guy. No, guy, no do this thing. Guy, no do this thing. Allow her first now. At least allow her. See, allow her now, guy. Allow her now. Allow her, beg. Guy. She's so guy. Why do this thing now? Why would they do like this now? At least allow her now. Come and make she stand first.
If na you go like this rubbish.
Go carry your baby corn. Don't do this thing. Allow her. See, make you confirm. Don't explain at least. I explain why you call her here now. You never even explain why you call her. Begin flame up. Don't be like that now, guy. Okay, Chi. Sorry, guy, calm down. We go do DNA test. And once we do the DNA test.
Okay, Chi. Explain this thing.
Maybe this thing is fake.
Jai.
Na your son.
You dey hear wetin she dey talk?
Na your son. Na your blood.
Guy, calm down.
How will I lie to you?
Guy, no do this thing now. See now, you don't tear my clothes. Why do they do this time? Now, see now, you don't tear my clothes. Why they behave like this now? Guy, calm down now.
I dey calm. I dey.
I no fit do this kind of thing. Na your blood.
Guy, calm
You
down.
hear wetin she dey talk?
Guy, calm down now, at least for the sake of the abeg.
Abeg.
Okay, Chi. We just confirm before we bring her this test now. Come show you. We don't go like how many places go confirm say the pikin no being get the pikin. What do you have to say about that?
Put your mouth dey talk that rubbish, abi.
What do you have to say about that?
Na your pikin, na your blood.
This the way you dey talk na wetin dey make me dey vex.
Baba, calm down.
Why she dey lie?
Guy,
Why she dey lie?
guy, no do this. Guy, no do this. Guy, no do this thing now. Guy, calm down now. Guy, beg now. Sorry.
Babe, calm
See,
down.
guy, calm down.
You wey dey call babe?
Guy, relax now, beg. Relax. Sorry. I beg my carry your baby. Like, okay, explain to us who get the baby. Because this pikin now no be you, who get the pikin.
Stay open her mouth dey talk. You dey see the DNA test there, you dey talk rubbish.
Okay, talk, who get the pikin?
Who get the pikin?
Who get the
Abeg, calm down.
Why she talk now?
Calm down, let me talk now, abeg.
guy? Who get the pikin?
Abeg, come hear me out.
No, come here at first now. Come here, my she want talk. She wants talk. No, drop the stick. She want talk.
Mama dey yarn.
No. Drop the stick. Come out. Abeg. He say who get the pikin? Abeg.
Na your junior brother.
My junior brother. Come on, leave me.
Guy,
Leave me,
guy,
leave
guy,
me.
guy, guy,
Leave
guy,
me, leave me.
guy, I beg.
After everything, Ogechi, see what they do to me.
Guy,
You dey go dey follow my junior brother. Oh,
guy,
Ogechi.
guy, no do. See, guy, no do now, guy, no do this thing. I beg, guy, no do this thing. Guy, no do this thing, I beg. No this kind thing now, I beg, guy. Calm down, but okay, why you gonna do like this now? Why you gonna do like this now? See, guy, if you wan do anything violent, I beg. If you reach your compound, if you don't, I beg.
Come on, make she dey go.
I beg.
Ogechi dey come on here.
I beg.
Ogechi come on here. Ogechi come on here now. Make she dey come on here now.
Guy, calm down.
Ogechi come on.
Guy, he be man.
If I leave you, my life
He be man.
Oh, if you leave me, you know.
Now I no tell you.
Guy, I
Forgive
beg.
me.
She
come
say
on here
she
now.
say she do all this thing because say she like you.
Na love go kill you.
I love
go kill you.
Guy, I beg. Good. Guy, no be like this now. She get.
Na love go kill you.
Guy, I beg. See the pikin dey cry, so abeg consider, abeg consider. But this thing wey you do no good. This thing wey you do truly no good.
That is why I beg.
This thing wey you do truly
No
no
one tell am,
good.
that is why.
At least now, even if you love her, you go at least tell her. Say the pikin, you know, say he rush go pay your bride price, rush go do everything just because say he just comot the shame from your face.
Get anything I no do for you.
Just because say
you know wetin I go through.
just because say he wan comot the shame from your face, from everybody face. He rush go pay your bride price because say he give you belle, but yes, see the pikin no be own. Guy, abeg.
Omo no dey hold me. Nasty, why you dey hold me?
Guy, abeg.
I thought they say comot from here now. Tell her make she get out from here.
Guy,
They go,
abeg.
just they go. The way you just come. Follow like that, they go.
Abeg, she dey beg, abeg.
I don't forgive
Guy,
you.
una fit still reunite this thing.
The
Una fit
baby
still
no be my own, shey.
yes, the baby no
pikin no
be
be my own.
yes,
I am
but una
missing.
fit still settle,
Make
abeg.
she dey go, make she dey
You fit still settle, guy.
go. Make she go.
Guy, you fit
If I go, I don't
settle.
know wetin I go do. I
Guy,
will
you fit
just kill
settle,
myself.
abeg.
As you see me like this now, because of this baby, oh.
Guy,
And because of this baby, I just dey like
you
this.
fit still settle the
Carry
issue.
they go.
If
Don't
you
meet
see-
my. Make I call that boy. That boy get
abeg.
mine. Person wey I dey train for school.
Baby, I
Na the
beg,
person wey dey
forgive
do me
me.
this kind thing for back.
Guy,
You turn back, they backstab me.
guy.
Baby, I beg.
I know say your junior brother too know try, but
Come on, make everybody just dey. Make everybody
Baby,
just.
forgive me, I beg.
guy, she dey beg you now. At least consider her
I no
now.
fit-
Find way settle this thing. Find way
See, I
settle
don't
this thing.
forgive you. I don't
Find
forgive
way
am.
settle
I
am.
don't forgive. I don't forgive you now.
Find
They
way settle am.
go.
Find way settle.
They go. Stand up. Carry baby, they come on, come on.
Forgive me, I beg.
Guy,
Come on,
abeg.
come on, come
Guy,
on.
abeg.
I'm
Make she
very
carry
sorry,
baby, they go. See, now because of this baby, I just dey leave you. Na because of just carry the baby, just carry the
Abeg,
baby.
leave me.
Carry
Guy,
the baby.
abeg. I
comot
use
from
gun name.
here
beg
now.
you. I use gun
Abeg.
name.
I don't forgive am.
I use gun name.
When I say make I forgive am, I don't forgive am.
Abeg, no leave me, I beg.
Guy, you say make no leave am, abeg.
Na this rubbish now wey dey make me
Guy,
dey vex o.
guy.
Abeg.
Come on here.
I still need
Come
you.
on here now.
Guy, calm down now. Guy, calm
Make she come
down.
on here. Make she come
Mellow
on here.
down, abeg. Guy, mellow down,
Come on,
abeg.
I don't anything wey got to do with am. I don't forget am. I don't.
Guy,
I don't
abeg. I
comot
use gun.
everything.
I use gun
Come
name.
on, I don't
beg.
forgive am now. I don't.
Abeg,
I
forgive
don't
me, I
forgive her. I
beg.
don't forgive her. They come on here. They come on
No be
here.
like that. You go take settle am now, Baba. No be like that. See my clothes, open. I don't even tear my clothes, guy. No
Come
be
on,
like
that's
that. You do
now you
something.
dey block me. Now you cause that thing.
Baby, I beg.
Stand up, dey go.
Mona find way settle this.
Get out from here now.
Guy,
She get out from
guy,
here
no
now.
be do that. No do like
Make
this
she
now.
get out from here. Wait
Don't do like this now. Don't do like this now.
Forgive me, I beg.
See, my be like say go carry your baby dey go,
Come on
abeg.
from here.
Make you no wound you, abeg. Carry your baby dey go. Maybe later I will fit call you, abeg. Guy, calm down, abeg. Calm down, abeg.
Person wey I trust.
Forgive me, I beg.
Guy, Mona calm down, settle this thing, abeg. Mona calm down, settle down. I see video go maybe later when him calm down, we'll calm down talk to am, abeg. Abeg. Wear your pants, wear your slippers then. Charlie, abeg, no vex, abeg, no vex. I know say e dey very painful, abeg, no vex. No vex. You see they come back. Guy, no vex. Guy. No vex. Guy, no vex.
Nasty, if you know wetin I go.
Guy, no vex. I know say if you see carry the pikin, if you see carry the pikin like your own guy, no vex. No vex.
If person tell me this thing, I will not believe.
Guy, abeg, no vex. Be a man. I know say this thing is very painful, abeg. Come here, abeg, cut the video.
Person tell me this thing, I will not believe.
Mo go inside, come inside, come see as you dey sweat. Come inside first, come back, abeg.
Come on, have to leave me.
Come inside, come back, abeg. Come here, cut the video now. Come here.